Now that your wig cap is securely in place, it's time to put on your wig. Look for the label inside the back of your wig. Hold it gently and shake it a few times to loosen the fibers. Position the wig on your head, starting from the front and working your way back. Be sure to shift the wig so the front edge is sitting right above your natural hairline and the side ear tabs are aligned properly. Once your wig is in place, gently press the bendable wires within the ear tabs so they lay flat to your head. This helps secure the sides of the wig and provides a seamless look. If you have little or no bio hair and struggle finding your natural hairline, we suggest you use this trick to help as a guide. Depending on your forehead size, take 4 of your fingers and close them together. Place the edge of your smallest finger on the bridge of your nose, and the edge of your 4th finger should fall roughly where your front hairline would start. If you have a smaller forehead, we recommend using 3 fingers as a guide. If your wig feels too loose or too tight after placing it on your head, simply remove it and use the adjustable Velcro straps on both sides to either loosen or tighten the wig for a more comfortable fit. Always use a wig brush or wide-tooth comb to style your wig. If your wig is made of heat-friendly fibers, such as our exclusive Versa fiber, you may use heat tools to add waves, curls, or go straight. But remember, never heat your tools higher than 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your wig has been styled, try using our exclusive wig styling products to set the look and tame any flyaways. Here are some styling tips. Everyone loves the natural movement of hair. While wearing your wig, shake your head gently or run your fingers through the fibers to create natural movement. This will help to break up any stiffness and make the fibers look even more natural. Feel free to customize your wig to your liking. You can part it differently, create more volume at the crown, or if necessary, trim your bangs. Always wear your wig with confidence. The way you carry yourself makes a huge difference in how you look. As we say at Paula Young, own your style and enjoy the transformation.